What is a golf iron? A golf iron is a type of club used in the game of golf, characterized by its flat angled face designed to strike the ball with precision and control. Irons are typically used for shots from the fairway, rough or shorter distances, ranging from tee shots on par 3 holes to approaches to the green. Irons are numbered based on the loft in their club face, with lower numbered irons designed for longer distances and higher numbered irons for shorter, more controlled shots. History of the golf iron. The origins of golf irons trace back to the early days of golf in Scotland during the 16th and 17th centuries. Early irons were hand-forged by blacksmiths and made from crude materials, often featuring inconsistent designs. These early clubs were heavy and less forgiving, used primarily for shots that required more precision than the wooden clubs of the era, such as cleeks or spoons. By the 19th century, advances in metallurgy and the Industrial Revolution led to the development of more refined iron clubs. The introduction of drop forging techniques allowed manufacturers to create standardized club heads, making irons more reliable and effective. The 20th century saw significant innovation with the advent of cavity back irons in the 1960s, which improved forgiveness and made the game more accessible to players of varying skill levels. Types of golf irons. Irons are categorized based on their loft, which determines the trajectory and distance of the ball. Long irons. These clubs have lower lofts and are designed for long-distance shots with a lower trajectory. They are typically harder to hit for amateur golfers due to their smaller sweet spots. These are versatile clubs, used for approach shots and moderate distances. They provide a balance between distance and control. These irons have higher lofts, creating a steeper trajectory and allowing for precise shots into the green.
Although technically not numbered like traditional irons, wedges are a subset of irons designed for high-lofted, short-distance shots, often used for chipping or escaping hazards. Key components of a golf iron.
Club head. The flat face features grooves that generate spin and control. Modern designs include cavity back and blade styles made from steel or graphite. The shaft affects the flexibility and swing dynamics of the club. Grip. The handle provides traction and comfort for the golfer's hands. Fun facts about golf irons. Longest iron shot. Professional golfers can hit long irons, or over 200 yards with precision. Irons in the moon. Astronaut Alan Shepard famously hit a golf ball with a makeshift 6-iron on the moon during the Apollo 14 mission. Antique irons, such as those made by early blacksmiths, are highly sought after by collectors and can fetch high prices at auctions. Long irons. These clubs iron. The golf iron based on their loft, which determines the trajectory and distance of the ball. Long irons. These clubs have lower lofts and are designed for long-distance shots with a lower trajectory. They are